So I saw I reached at the
Okay, my name is Steve Crown. I'm a gospel music minister.
How will you describe the impact of Chief Raymond Dokpesi?
A visionary. A man who loves people, you know, and his legacy is large. There's so much to learn from him. That's what I can say for now, but there's a lot. And I tell you, he's a great, great, great loss to the entire Africa and to the world. We had a rare gem. Yeah, he's been good to me. Especially in our industry, the gospel. AIT has done a lot, publicizing most of our work. And so giving, people platform, to be able to express, their talents. It's a lot. Really, really a lot.